Kuzuzumbalo, Namaste, good morning to all online respected viewers. Long live their majesties, long live our leaders, and long live our friendship. Welcome to this online Ayurveda and Yoga workshop. Embassy of India, Thimphu, ICCR's Nehru Wangchuk Cultural Center. Yoga teacher MKV SSN Murthy here. My sincere praise to the Almighty to see all the best things to their majesties and whole Bhutan also. So coming to recitation from the works of Adi Shankaracharya, the Saint Adi Shankaracharya from India. न च प्राणसंज्ञो न वै पञ्चवायुः न वा सप्तधातुर्न वा पञ्चकोशः न वा पाणिपादौ न चोपस्थपायुः चिदानन्दरूपा शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपा शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपा शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहं चिदानन्दरूपा शिवोऽहं शिवोऽहम्. In this stanza of Nirvana Shatkam, it is saying that I am not this body, I am not the sense organs, I am not the work organs, I am not the sapta dhatus, seven important factors inside the body. I am not at all the body and related to the body. I am something like universal consciousness. I am the bliss called Shivoham. Shivoham means I am nothing but Shiva. Ham means here me. Shivoham, Shivoham. I am Shiva, nothing but I am Shiva. So right, coming to Ayurveda practices today, we are seeing important practices for the element of migraine headaches. So this is also like a psychosomatic disorder. It's also like a man-made mistake because of our lifestyles or because of our stress, because of our depression, because of our anxiety. So lots of things included inside. But still we have very important, very simple home Ayurvedic remedies. But please remember, when you have this kind of severe headaches, chronic headaches because of migraine, so do not immediately see the lights or your mobile phones immediately after wake up. As well as in the strong sunshine also, when you are coming to the strong sunshine, don't look to the sun or don't look to the bright things. This kind of migraine headaches also called as photophobia, a kind of headaches because of strong lights as well as strong smells. So please be aware of your talcum powders and perfumes and scents and agarbattis and remaining preparations. But still, if once you started using these Ayurvedic practices, first it will directly affect on the internal wind, like it will balance the internal wind. Once your internal wind will be balanced, called Vata dosha, if once Vata dosha will come to the balance, then only your headaches and everything will be totally calmed down. Coming to the actually practices, so take apple cider vinegar. So in a glass of water or bowl of water, only 5 to 7 grams, just 5 to 7 ml. Then here, take out one good apple and take that peel out. After that, make that pulp of 10 to 20 grams pulp and mix in that same water, apple cider vinegar and apple pulp with the warm water or of course cold water. So just consume it early morning, empty stomach. As well as today's our next preparation will be lapanam. Lapanam means what? A kind of paste or massage on the forehead with the cloves. So take out nearly 50 to 60 cloves and after that properly grind it properly with water and take out that paste. That paste will turn as a dark orange or somewhat it's a blackish color also. So try to put that paste on the forehead and around your eyebrows and everything, for at least half an hour time. Leave that preparation on the forehead. Then after that thoroughly wash your face. Somewhat it will give relief from your headaches. And the third important preparation is early morning. Take at least 10 to 15 drops of ginger. Then add 1 full teaspoon of what we call turmeric in a warm water or hot water. Mix properly. Then after that soak for 5 minutes. Then here use this preparation early in the morning before your breakfast. This is also good preparation like in maintaining regular health as well as in maintaining immunity also. So today's our wonder preparation, very simple preparation. In your every meal, breakfast, lunch and dinner, try to add dry ginger powder in your food, as well as try to take uh, garlic every day, like in every meal, morning, afternoon and evening. See 40 days, and after that, after 40 days, how it will be, see the results with this simple two preparation. Somewhat it will create like a very good balance inside, to the vata. Vata means what? Internal wind. It will give the good balance at your internal wind, so that once your internal wind will be all there, then only there will be no issues of the migraine headaches. But still, if possible, avoid smoking, avoid alcohol, especially avoid red wine. When you have headaches, do not take coffees. Coffees have the intensity to trigger the headaches, like especially the migraine headaches. Don't take chocolates also when you have headaches. So immediately what you can do is immediately leave that actually room, just go to the dark room and take relax. So see that the dark room must have very less light. So close your eyes and you can hear the music also. All this is because of lifestyle management or somewhat extra stress because of lifestyle management. So tomorrow also we are seeing very simple and important practical approach in the Ayurveda called Ingvastaka Churnam. So that is also good preparation to the asthma related issues as well as migraine related issues also. Tomorrow we will see that very important 8 ingredients, important home ingredients. Tomorrow we will see that practice. So let's join our yoga exercise. And like when you have headaches, based on its severity, better to don't go for forward bending exercises or forward bending works also in the home or outside. So better to avoid forward bends when you have its severity, the headaches or chronic asthma or chronic heaviness in the head and the face, or as well as heaviness in the throat. So coming to actually mantra sadhan, chanting of the sun salutations, take a long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. Then here, wide your both the arms, lift your both the arms up above to the head, make a pranamasana called Kailasa Mudra. From there to bring the pranamasana at your chest, Anahata Pranamasana. Take a long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. Om Hiranmayena Patrena Satyasyapi Hitam Mukham Tattvam Pushan Apavruno Satya Dharmaya Drustaye. Om Hram Hrim Hrum Hraim Hraum Raha Mitra Ravi Surya Bhanu Kagapusna Hiranya Garbha Maricha Aditya Savitra Arka Bhaskaraya Namaha. Touch your both the arms forward, lift your both the arms up. From there slightly put a back bend. From here very slowly forward bend, standing forward bend called Pada Hastasana. And after that, right leg must be your back leg Asva Sanchalanasana, horse riding posture. And back leg straight on the toes and back leg knee up. Just join your forward leg to back, Dandasana. And very slowly bend the body towards the floor. Stick and call Ashtanga Namaskarasana. And lift the body up till your chest or spine or thighs, Bhujangasana or lifted head Cobra posture. From there, mountain triangular posture. And after that, right leg must be your forward leg Asva Sanchalanasana or horse riding posture. And back leg straight on the toes and keep your knee also straight and join your back leg to the forward leg Pada Hastasana. Then slowly lift your both the arms up, Hasta Uttanasana, to slightly put body back bend Ardha Chandrasana or Ardha Chakrasana. Then slowly keep your body straight. And after that, keep your Pranamasana above to the head and bring them down at your chest. Then very slowly lift your both the arms up and very slowly wide your both the arms. Then very slowly bring them down towards the thighs Right. Feel that long stretch of inhalations and exhalations. So today, as per our regular schedule, today we are seeing Pavana Mukta Asana Sreni or Sukshma Yoga Vyayam, or simply in other words we can call as basic warm-ups for the general fluidity in the body. This is also very helpful for the people who are having chest issues, lungs issues, as well as migraine issues also. So take your position on any comfortable surface. So first take long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. So Pavana Mukta Asana Sreni means somewhat it will give the balance in between the muscles, in between the nerves inside the body, as well as the name itself called Pavana Mukta Asana Sreni, called excess of wind related issues in a negative way, it will just go out. Called Pavana Mukta means air, Mukta means release. So inside impure air, it will be released through the joints and through the accumulated parts. Okay, take a long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. So first coming to the eye exercises. So first of all, lift your eyes up with inhalation, look up. Then very slowly bring your eyes down, exhalation. Again inhalation, lift your eyes up and slowly bring them down, exhalation. Then very slowly, last count, inhalation, lift your eyes. Then very slowly bring your eyes down. Okay, take again long and slow inhalation and exhalation. Especially this eye exercise called as Natra Sanchalana Sreni, eye series, eye exercise series. So keep your eyes straight. After that, look towards your right side. Then slowly keep your eyes straight. Left side and slowly keep your eyes straight. Right side and slowly keep your eyes straight. Left side, then very slowly keep your eyes straight, and long deep inhalations and exhalations. Next exercise will be diagonal way. Now look towards your right side above corner, then very slowly bring them down, left side below corner. Then inhalation right above, exhalation left below, last count right above, then very slowly left below, then slowly keep your eyes straight. Take again long and deep inhalation and exhalation. Same exercise opposite side, your left side above corner and right below corner, and opposite side above, left above corner and right below corner. Last count, left side above corner, completely lift and stretch. From there completely pull down towards opposite side corner. Then slowly keep your eyes straight. Take again long deep inhalation and exhalation. So especially in these migraine issues, eye exercises are very important. Basically these migraine issues will be starting from the eye region to forehead, forehead to head. So somewhat hemicrine issues, like half of the head will be giving lots of pain. Okay, now coming to next exercise. Very simple exercise. Keep your both the fingers closer to the eyes from the sidewards. Then after that open your eyes, gently move your eyes. Then after that slowly raise them fast. Then look fast towards the fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then close your eyes. Then rub your both the palms and just keep apply that warm around your eyes for a while. Stay without touching your eyeballs. Then slowly come back and take again long and deep slow inhalation and exhalation. And next exercise will be also very simple effective exercises. So here one arm stretch forward from the eyes, lift your thumb and keep your second arm in between the first arm and the eyes. Make that eye line. So see your forward finger and see your backward finger, forward finger, backward finger, forward finger, backward finger, forward finger, backward finger, forward and backward. Then slowly keep your hands down. Again take long and deep slow inhalation and exhalation. Then after that open your two hands forward, keep your thumbs out and maintain that same eye line. Then after that very slowly breathe out, bring your fingers together closer to the eyes. Then very slowly stretch them forward from the eyes, closer to the eyes and forward from the eyes, closer to the eyes, and last count forward to the eyes. Then slowly keep your hands down, close your eyes, take deep and long inhalations and exhalations. Then after that, next exercise will be just head movement without eye movement. Keep your one arm as a base. Second arm close on the first arm. Lift your thumb up. So move your head on the right side, on the left side, but still focus your finger with your both the eyes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and same thing here. Move your head below and above, but still focus your eyes at the same target. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Same exercise. Still focus your same target, but bend your head on the right side and on the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Enough. Then slowly keep your arms down, close your eyes, and feel that long and deep slow inhalation and exhalation. Then our next exercise will be eyeball rotation, and try to wide your eye lids with your arm fingers. Then here rotation part of the eyeballs on the edges of the eyes. 1 full rotation, 2, 3. Then opposite side, 1, 2, and 3. Come back, close your eyes. Then here also once rub your both the palms and apply that warm around your eyes. Alright, long and deep inhalation and exhalation. Now coming serious isometric practices, also very useful in management of headache. Especially it will give somewhat relaxation in the chronic level of headaches. So keep your head straight, keep your body straight, take a long deep inhalation and exhalation. So open your right hand, put your right hand on the right part of the head. So like with your head, press your hand, with your hand, press your head. Apply opposite side, equivalent opposite side forces. Few seconds stay here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Then slowly keep your hand down. Opposite side, same thing. Put your arm, same exercise. Opposite side, equal forces. And 1 few seconds. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Very slowly come back. Long and deep and slow inhalation and exhalation. Then same thing here with your 2 hands at a time. Press your head and few seconds stay here. Also apply opposite side equivalent forces. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then very slowly come back. Long and deep and slow inhalation and exhalation. Then here both the hands, lock them and put them on the mid part of the head. Press from the above and few seconds stay here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and very slowly come back. Then with that same hand frame, turn them back behind the head, and now just lock your head. The same exercise, opposite side, equal forces. Give a force from the palms to head, again from the head to palms. Few seconds stay. 2, 1, and 0. Relaxation, long and slow and deep inhalation and exhalation. Then after that, lift your chin up. Try to place your both the arms as a lock and put them on the forehead. Completely press your head inside and stay for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then very slowly come back. Keep your head straight. Again, long and deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. Then after that, turn your head towards your left side. Then put your left hand at your forehead region. Then here also apply opposite side equivalent forces and stay for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then very slowly come back. Keep your arm down. And long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. Opposite side, same thing. Turn your head and put your left hand at your head region. And while pressing your head and palm, apply here opposite side equal forces and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then very slowly come back. Keep your head straight and arm down. Again, here interlock your fingers. Keep your head straight. That interlocked fingers must go on the forehead. Wide your both the elbows. Then completely press your head back. At the same time, press your palms also forward with your head and stay. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then very slowly keep your arms down. Keep your neck relaxation. Take long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. These isometric practices also helpful in management of vertigo also. Okay, coming to last exercise, keep your both the palms together, place them under your chin. So lift your chin up, at the same time press your chin down and stay for a while. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then very slowly keep your palms down. Long and deep and slow inhalation and exhalation. Then coming to last set of the exercises called Siro Sanchalana Sreni. Very simple and effective practices for in management of migraine. Especially if you have any vertigo issues, don't bend your head forward. So keep your position straight. Then here lift your chin up, completely lift and stretch your throat, press your neck with your head. Then very slowly keep your head straight, or slightly keep your head forward bend and stay for a while. Then here lift your chin again, completely lift up. Then while exhalation, completely down. If you have any cervical spondylitis, you can keep your one hand on the neck, one hand on the head while keeping the head forward bend. Few seconds stay. 2, 3 and 4. Keep your head straight. Then here to the right side, bend your head, completely bend your head and slowly come back, and left side bend your head, then very slowly come back. Right side bend your head and slowly come back. Left side bend your head, then slowly come back. Again keep your head straight. Again long and deep inhalation and exhalation. Towards your right side, completely turn your head, then slowly come back. Keep your head straight. Opposite side, completely turn, then slowly come back. Right side full turn and slowly come back. Left side full turn. Alright, slowly come back. Relaxation. Keep your head straight. So we have a next important exercise. First lift your both the shoulders up, then after that lift your chin up to the right side shoulder, to the left side shoulder. Just go for your neck half cycles, chin up half cycles. Few seconds, press your shoulder region to neck region, and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then very slowly keep your head straight. But we have last exercise called Parivritta Siro Sancharanam, called full head cycle. This is not really recommended for the people who are having vertigo, who are having cervical spondylitis. But if you really can match your body style towards these practices, you can do, but take care while doing. So keep your body straight. Now lift your chin up to the right side, completely bend. From there, bend the head down, and from the left side, completely lift up and further lift up. From again right side, completely down with breathe out, and with breathe in, completely lift your head and come up. Third, last count, completely breathe out, bring them down. Then from there, very slowly lift your head up from your opposite side. So here, once take long deep inhalation and exhalation. After that, towards your opposite side, completely bend your head, then put them down. From there, opposite side way, lift it up, again completely come up. From there, again same cycle, completely breathe out, exhalation, and slowly inhalation, lift your head up. Last count, completely exhalation, bend your heads, and with inhalation, lift your head up, then slowly come back. Keep your head straight, and long and deep slow inhalation and exhalation. So once you will be finished your practices, or in between the practices, if you want, stretch your legs for relaxation. Keep your both the arms stretch back. Once completely slant your body, but do not crunch or hunch your back. Keep your body straight, turn your both the shoulders back, expand your chest, called Sukha Danda Asana. Lift your chin and stay for a while. Long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. Alright, then slowly come back. Long pause. So especially in management of migraines, proper rest also required. Overnight sleeps restricted. Don't go for overnight sleeps. If possible, try to sleep before 9 o'clock. Wake up time must be maybe 5 o'clock or 6 o'clock. But if once you decided to sleep, do not get disturbed by any other sounds. But especially in the foods also, please see that do not be prone to catch sneezes or hiccups. So with these kind of things also, we can get migraines. As well as, do not stop your tears, do not stop your sneezes, do not stop your what we call excretory content. So like that, let it that natural process. So if once you will stop the natural process, it can trigger to your migraine headaches. It is not really giving the headaches, but if you already having these migraine issues, now the compulsion of that stopping will be raise your headaches. Okay, coming to next exercise called pranayam or prana chikitsa. Very simple and effective practices in management of all headaches and all diseases and disorders. These pranayams, you can take the subject of pranayam. Keep your position straight. Take long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. So morning before breakfast, afternoon before lunch, evening before your dinner. So if possible, try to see this simple pranayam called Anuloma Viloma Pranayam. Today's our exercise is only that simple pranayam, Anulom Vilom Pranayam. So keep your position straight. So in other words, it's also called as alternative breathing. So here, as we know that pranayam abhyas, the purpose of pranayam and purpose of yoga is not only maintaining the physical health, but we have other goal called, in the mantra abhyas, it is saying that Om Kesavaya Swaha, Om Madhavaya Swaha, Om Narayanaya Swaha, Om Adya Samadhi Tatpala Siddhyardham Asana Purvakan Pranayamadin Karishye. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. And coming to practices of pranayam, very simple and effective practices. Keep your position and spine straight, and see your surroundings must be free with the smoke or dust. It must be very clean and pure also. Like take long, deep, slow inhalation and exhalation. Then after that, open your right hand and close your index finger and big finger inside. Open your last two fingers and open your thumb. So here, close your left nostril and inhalation with the right nostril. Then very slowly, completely breathe out from the opposite side nostril. The same thing from the opposite side nostril inhalation. And close your left nostril, open your right nostril, completely breathe out from the right nostril. Again, right nostril inhalation. And close your right nostril and completely slowly concentrate on your breath, and with awareness completely breathe out with the left nostril. And with the same left nostril inhalation. And slowly completely breathe out with the right nostril. Again, inhalation with the right nostril. And completely slowly breathe out with the left nostril. Last inhalation with the left nostril. And complete breathe out with the alternative nostril. Then slowly keep your hand down. And few seconds take breath-ins and breath-outs, regular breath-ins and breath-outs. And after finishing your pranayam practices, give at least 7 to 10 minutes time for your mantra chanting or ekagrata abhyas, or in the sense of meditation. And after you are finishing your pranayam practices and meditation, take 10 minutes time for your power nap. In the afternoon, before your lunch, if possible, try to see all possibilities how to take a power nap. As well as in the evenings, after finishing your office works, please provide at least half an hour time to do this simple Pavana Mukta Asana Sreni, or the simple warm-up practices in regarding issues of vertigo, cervical spondylitis, breathing issues, especially the migraine issues, and in everyone you can take this practice as an advantage. Alright, so thanking you all to giving me this valuable and wonderful opportunity. So tomorrow at the same time, we are meeting with the other yoga exercises and other Ayurveda practices for the same migraine. So until then, take care of yourself, stay away from the bad habits and do yoga also. Thank you.